Hi, this is Beach Troll. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Today I'm just gonna show you about this torque wrench. The name brand on this is a Pittsburgh Pro. If you're having a problem where you're trying to tighten to get the torque up to a certain location on the bar, on the wrench, and it won't go past that, no matter how hard you try to force it, there is a little knob on the bottom of the torque wrench, this black knob. Your wrench might be a little bit different, but there should be something like this at the bottom. You want to unscrew this knob at the bottom. It might take a little effort. You might have to use a pair of pliers, but once you get it loose, that'll unlock this piece, which will allow you to get it to the desired location that you want on your wrench. If for some reason you still can't do it, the inside here might be damaged, or the threads inside might be stripped, so you might need a new one. But this might save you the effort of having to go buy a new one. Just try this out. If this video helped you out, kindly give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.